Are deer and antelope the same? If not the same, then what is the difference between them? If you don't know, then watch the video till the end. Hopefully after today, you will be able to understand which one is deer and which one is antelope. So let's begin. When a graceful, hoofed animal leaps across grasslands or forests, probably we think that's a deer because most of us consider deer and antelope to be the same. While they may look somewhat similar, they actually belong to different families and possess unique characteristics that set them apart. Let's explore some of the key differences between deer and antelope. Taxonomy and types. First, we briefly know their taxonomic position in the fauna. Deer belong to the family Cervidae and are found in a variety of habitats across the world, including forests, grasslands, and tundras. There are 43 species of deer found all over the world. Common deer species include the white-tailed deer, mule deer, red deer, and moose. Antelopes belong to the Bovidae family, which also includes animals like goats, sheep, and cattle. There are 91 species of antelopes found all over the world and primarily in Africa and parts of Asia. Well-known species include the impala, gazelle, and springbok. Horns versus antlers. One of the most striking differences between deer and antelope is the presence of antlers in deer and horns in antelope. Deer grow antlers, which are made of bone and shed annually. After shedding, they grow new antlers during the next season. Antlers are branch structures and are usually used for fighting or attracting mates. Only male deer typically have antlers, with the exception of species like caribou, where females also have them. On the other hand, both male and female antelopes have permanent horns that are made of keratin and bone. Unlike antlers, horns are not shed, and they usually have a smooth or spiraled structure. The horns are used for defense, territory disputes, and protection from predators. Size and shape. Deer tend to have shorter, stockier bodies compared to antelope. Some species, like the muntjac, weigh around 10 to 18 kilograms, where the largest deer moose can weigh over 700 kilograms. They have more rounded bodies and, in some species, thicker coats for colder climates. Antelopes are generally slender and built for speed, with species like the springbok capable of incredible agility. While some antelope species are small, like the dik-dik, weighing around 5 kilograms, others, such as the eland, can weigh over 900 kilograms. Speed and agility. When it comes to escaping predators, both animals have evolved to be fast, but antelope are particularly known for their speed and endurance. Antelopes such as the pronghorn or springbok are capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and can cover great distances without tiring. While deer are also agile and can run at high speeds, they rely more on short bursts of speed and their ability to leap over obstacles to escape threats. Habitat. Deer species are more widespread, found across North and South America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. They thrive in various environments like forests, grasslands, and even colder regions like tundras. Antelopes primarily inhabit Africa, but some species are also found in Asia. They prefer savannas, open plains, and arid landscapes. Their swift speed and agility make them well adapted to escaping predators in these open areas. Behavior and social structure. Most deer species are relatively solitary, although some, like caribou, form large migratory herds. Males often fight for dominance during the breeding season using their antlers. Many antelope species live in herds for better protection against predators. They rely on numbers and speed to evade danger, with some species capable of running up to 60 miles per hour. Herds of antelope like wildebeests or gazelles can include thousands of individuals, especially during migrations. Diet. Both deer and antelope are herbivores, but their dietary preferences can vary based on their habitat. Deer are generally browsers, meaning they feed on leaves, twigs, and shrubs. In forested environments, they can often be seen foraging for food in dense foliage. Their diet changes with the seasons. Antelopes are mainly grazers, feeding on grass, but some species, like gazelles, will also browse on shrubs and small trees, depending on availability. Their diet is more focused on the open plains. Conclusion. While both deer and antelope share some similarities as hoofed mammals, they have key differences in taxonomy, habitat, physical features, and behavior. From the shedding antlers of deer to the permanent horns of antelope, each group has evolved unique traits suited to their environments. Whether roaming the forests or the savannas, these magnificent creatures are fascinating examples of nature's adaptability and diversity.